Okay, here's Elisa's science project. That's the sun and the planets, asteroid belts. This is Kyle's project. The Indians, the water, the Wappo River, hunting with the obsidian rock, the sweat house, the Indians using obsidian rocks, hunting deer with obsidian, a bear, fishing with the net, the sweat house. Okay, now back to the river. Now Elisa's project, the solar system. These are the rings of the 4 planets. This is the wonderful sun.
Yeah. What?
Kyle.
What?
Okay, finally, we did it in how many hours?
2,
2? 3?
2 hours and 30 minutes, I think.
2 hours and 30 minutes. Done. Both projects.